Sure. You can see him, dude. Jake, clear the corner. Let me go. Alright, Garrett. Jake's gonna suppress us. You ready?
I know who they are.
When you see a guy spraying
There's a guy straight ahead.
keep him in.
Derek, you got him? You see him?
Got one.
Good, good, good. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, I love this map. My gun shoot's actually pretty nice here.
Alright, how's 12 looking?
12's clear. I would've got shot by now.
On me, go. On you.
Where is he? Where is he? Where? Where is he? Where is he? Derek, where is he?
Okay, what do we got?
Straight across from here.
There's nobody right here in this tower?
No, we're clear.
Okay. Are they at the tower, the other tower, or just
No, the other tower's
to the
clear.
right of it?
They're straight across from over here somewhere.
Okay. Okay, hey, want to head center and turn corner? Sure. Okay, go. We're going to try and go the other way.
Alright. Where? Okay, okay. Nice, nice. Alright, we're good. Dude, there's no one. I'll keep you guys clear. Nice. Good job, guys. Good job.
Well, you're asking if 100%.
Alright, you guys ready?
I'm going 80%.
Yep.
No bands, are you ready?
Yeah. Never mind.
Alright, here we go. Stand by, stand by. Game will be live in 3, 2, 1. Game on, game on, game on, game on.
There you go. Watch your butt. Hey, hey, you in front of me. Hey, left. Get a better angle. Johnny, you got two over there. Johnny, come around the corner, Johnny! Come on. Here we go, he's coming around that corner.
Watch out, one in that tower in the back. Come on.
Hey, what do we got on that right? Okay, here, hey, buddy. I don't know, we want you to watch the tape.
Quan, watch out, straight ahead from there.
We got ours on the right. Move it up, come on. We got ours moving up on the right. What's the plan? What's the plan?
Where's the ball?
Quan.
Behind me. Hey, go to
Watch out, watch out! Hey, Quan, right ahead. Phil. There's one straight across from right here.
see it. Oh, hey.
2 minutes. You cover our plant.
You're covered on the right.
It's on the other side of this thing.
Yeah. Hey, you're covered on the right. You're covered on the right, Bomber.
Move along.
So what do you got? Bill, move now. Go, 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 go. You came around that corner, was just like, yeah. Right away that you walked over here, but you wouldn't look at me.
Oh, is it one of your teammates over here? Moving a bear? I was trying to shoot him. I don't know if I hit him or not. I'm gonna get you, Derek. Uh-huh.
Right tower. Okay, so you got him in those barrels too. All right, they just got shot. Move up on right. Move up on right. What do you got? What do you got?
Watch out, top. Top, yeah, one. Game over. Game over.
Alright, here we go. Stand by, stand by.
What the?
Go, go, go!
There's only like 3.
Oh, right around the corner.
Go all the way up. Go.
I know some are going to be in this little tower right here.
Move up to you.
Who have it?
Jake, you still there?
Yeah.
Alright, keep walking that check boat.
Alright. We're clear up here.
Go!
Wow.
I expected more resistance.
No. No, it seems to be all clear. Completely empty.
Yeah. Hey! Yeah, they're in there.
Yep.
Hey! Hey! We have a respawn, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, trade me real quick. Jordan's baby, don't break her. Bada boom. Bada boom.
Derek, where are they?
Right across, over here. Tee off. Like 12. God damn it.
Yeah, I'm gonna run right in there.
Alright. I'd watch out. They're in this little tower right here.
Oh, they are?
Not this one, but the one behind it. They're in that little window.
Damn it.
They have perfect shot if you move up.
Screw it.
Oh, look at you, Derek.
Holy fucking mags aren't working.
Are they right here in this window?
Oh no.
I think that's where you got shot last time. Derek, can I move?
Yeah. You can move. Where do you want to go?
Oh no. He's getting shot.
Alright. Guy in the kiosk by 12 is out.
Matt,
I'm gonna run in there.
watch out. Watch this window. They're in this guard tower. Shoot that guard tower before anything.
Alright, you want to run in there with me? Jake, you want to move up in there with me?
Watch out, watch out. Watch that guard tower straight ahead from you. Watch that. I hear one.
Let it go.
Shoot that guard tower. Derek's in. Oh, sorry. Move. Clear. Quan, clear back here. I think there's one right in here. Or not. Yep, there was.
On that one, right?
Yeah.